Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I have this Kitchenaid mixer. So I have the big Artisan Kitchenaid mixer back in Dallas, and so I saw they have this one here because I don't make such huge things. They had a smaller version, so it was like the Kitchenaid Mixer Mini or something. So we're gonna check this out and see what it looks like and see how it compares in size. It's still pretty heavy. I mean, my other ones weighs a ton. So we'll see how this is. So there's that. Let's see how this thing is. Sorry about my clothes. I'm wearing a gray shirt and gray shorts. I don't know. It probably doesn't match, but I'm colorblind, so I don't care. I did shower today. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So, I mean, this is what the box looks like. I'm gonna put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's see what we got here. So we have a little information here, a book on it, I guess some more information, blah, blah, blah. Here's the plug. I'm actually gonna cut this little piece off just because it's the security thing for the plug. So there we go. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So in here we have the little dough hook. Everything's so mini, I guess, because it's a mini thing. And there's the little beater with the other brush in there. And in here, so here is the thing. I got the black. I don't know what color. I have a red one back in Dallas, so I figured, okay, I'll get this one here. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's got the little brush here, this thing here. So it's got all the pieces here. This one here is kind of cool. Like the one in the other one doesn't come with the little spatula part built into it. So it's kind of cool that this one has it. And then it's got the mixer for different doughs, and this one here for cookie dough, whatever. I don't know. We'll see which ones I use as I do stuff. But then this is the bowl. You see it's a little smaller, but this is plenty good size to make my regular cookies, bars, and stuff. This is gonna work out pretty good. And what I liked about it was it comes with the same contraption here. This stuff here where you plug in the accessories. Like I've used my sheeter and stuff when I'm dehydrating apples and things like that. So it'll fit. It's the standard size deal for that. So that'll be good for that. That's why I felt okay getting the smaller one here. And let's just see what it looks like here going. I'm not gonna necessarily cook anything right now. I don't know what I would cook. Maybe I'll make some cookie bars later. Here we go. Okay, so let's see. So this is how it kind of goes up and down. I'll put in this hook here because I haven't ever seen the one with the spatula go. I guess it doesn't really come off. It's just on there. So. Okay, so there, and then we'll do that. Oh, if you look at the lock on my other one at home, when the lock goes, it goes all the way, but this one here just goes like halfway for it to be locked. So it's locked there at halfway. And then here we have all the different speeds. So you can see it was going just a second ago. So there we are on speed 2. It goes up to speed 10. Pretty decent speed. I don't want to put my hand in there, it'll rip my finger off. But it seems like it does pretty good. I like that. Let's just see. I'll put on a different brush and just this thing here. See, I think I use this for making some stuff too sometimes. So we'll go there. And it's like a slow start, and I think that's like new. Like my other one, when you click start, it goes boom, fast, so it sprays all of the flour everywhere and stuff. So this one here's got the slow starts kind of thing. So it starts off slow, so it's kind of cool. And that's by design. So I kind of like it. So this is the Artisan Mini, and I like the color I got. I got the black. I don't know. I guess it kind of fits a little bit. I mean, everything here is shiny. Maybe I should have got black shiny. I don't know. I'm kind of colorblind, so whatever. But I like it. So I'm going to put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.